elimination of arbitrary functions. So, elimination of arbitrary functions to form a partial differential equation. So, ikkada elimination of arbitrary functions. Here, we will see three types of relations. First one is the relation of the type f of u comma v is equal to 0, where u is a function of x comma y comma z and v is a function of x comma y comma z. So this is one type of relation andi. F of u comma v equal to 0 type lo untundi, where u anedi x y z variables lo function and v is also a function in x y z. So second one is z is equal to f of u. So ikkada manaki single function kanipistundandi. So second relation is of the form z equal to f of u. That means the given relation contains single arbitrary function. And the third one is the given relation contains two arbitrary functions. The given relation contains two arbitrary functions. We will see these three models. First model, if the relation is of the form f of u comma v equal to 0. So in this method, the required partial differential equation is of the form capital P into small p plus capital Q into small q is equal to capital R. This is the required partial differential equation when the given relation is of the form f of u comma v equal to 0. So here small p small q ante ento manaku telusandi. Small p means dou z by dou x and small q means dou z by dou y. So here capital P means where capital P is equal to dou of u comma v by dou of y comma z. By seeing this, మీకు ఏం గుర్తొస్తుందండి? Jacobian of u comma v with respect to y comma z. దాన్ని ఎలా రాసేవాళ్ళం? So determinant of dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z. So determinant of dou u with respect to y and u with respect to z. Next, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z. Next, whereas q is equal to dou of u comma v by dou of z comma x. Here this will be written as dou u by dou z, dou u by dou x and dou v by dou z and dou v by dou x, and r is equal to dou of u comma v by dou of x comma y, which is equal to dou u by dou x and dou u by dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y. So వీటి వాల్యూస్ క్యాపిటల్ క్యూ క్యాపిటల్ ఆర్ వాల్యూస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు కావాల్సిన పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుందండి. సో దీని మీద ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, f of x squared plus y squared comma z minus xy is equal to 0. This is the given relation. Now we have to form a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions. So here let u is equal to x squared plus y squared and v is equal to z minus xy. So the required partial differential equation is of the form that implies f of u comma v is equal to 0. Therefore, the required PDE is of the form capital P into small p plus capital Q into small q is equal to capital R. This is equation 1. So we have to find P, Q, R values. So for this, first we have to find U with respect to x, dou U by dou x. So here y is considered as a constant. So dou U by dou x becomes x 2x, y square becomes 0 and dou U by dou y value is equal to x square is a constant here. So it will get 0. So for y square 2y and dou U by dou z is equal to ఇక్కడ అసలు z టర్మే లేదండి. సో x and y both are constants. Therefore, dou u by dou z value వచ్చి 0. Next, dou v by dou x is equal to, here z is also one independent variable అండి, like x, y. So, with respect to x, మనం పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు z కూడా కాన్స్టెంట్ అవుతుంది. So, this will get 0 minus with respect to x means minus y is a constant. So, we will get minus y. Next, dou v by dou y. So, dou v by dou y means here z and x are constant. So, with respect to y means minus x and dou v by dou z is equal to 1. So, x, y are constants will become 0. So, here capital P is equal to dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z, dou v by dou y and dou v by dou z means dou u by dou y value is 2y and dou u by dou z value is 0 and dou v by dou y value is minus x and dou v by dou z value is 1. So, by solving this, we will get 2y. Again, q is equal to dou u by dou z, dou u by dou x and dou v by dou z and dou v by dou x. So, by substituting these values, dou u by dou z value is 0 and dou u by dou x value is 2x and dou v by dou z value is 1 and dou v by dou x value is minus y. So, we will get minus 2x and r is equal to dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. And dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. So, we will get dou u by dou x value is 2x and dou u by dou y value is 2y. And dou v by dou x value is minus y and dou v by dou y value is minus 6. So, we will get minus 2x square plus 2y square. So, the required partial differential equation is, so equation 1 implies capital P value is 2y into small p plus capital Q value is minus 2x into small q, which is equal to r value is minus 2x square plus 2y square. Okay, so by 2 will be getting cancelled and y into p minus x into q is equal to minus x square plus y square. That implies y into p minus x into q plus x square minus y square equal to 0. This is the required partial differential equation. So, coming to the second model, if the given relation contains single arbitrary function, that is, second one is, if the relation contains single arbitrary function, that is z is equal to f of x comma y form. So here we have to find first order partial derivative. To eliminate this single arbitrary function, we have to find first order partial derivatives. So we will see one problem. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions. Z is equal to f of x squared plus y squared. Okay. Here, let x squared plus y squared is equal to u. Let it be equation 1. That implies z is equal to f of u. So, to eliminate single arbitrary function, we have to find first order partial derivatives. So, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. Then, dou z by dou x is equal to f dash of u into dou u by dou x, which is equal to, this can be written as, dou z by dou x can be written as small p, which is equal to f dash of u into dou u by dou x means x square plus y square equal to u. So here we are differentiating partially with respect to x. Therefore, y becomes constant. Therefore, we will get 2x. So this is equation 2. Next, differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y. So, equation 1 ni partially with respect to y to differentiate cheste, dou z by dou y is equal to f dash of u into dou u by dou y. So here, this value can be written as q, small q, and f dash of u, and dou u by dou y means, here x is constant, so y square means 2y. This is equation 3. From 2 and 3. So, from equation 2 and equation 3, 2 divided by 3. If we consider 2 divided by 3, then we will get P by Q is equal to f dash of u into 2x by f dash of u into 2y. Then f dash of u and 2 will getting cancelled. Then we will get Py minus Qx is equal to 0. So, this is the required partial differential equation. So, single arbitrary function ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్స్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి వాటిని సాల్వ్ చేసుకుని మనం పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని ఫార్మ్ చేస్తామండి. అండ్ ఇన్ దిస్ టాపిక్ ద లాస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్, if the given relation contains two arbitrary functions, that is, the given relation is of the form z is equal to f of x comma y and g of x comma y. If the given relation contains two arbitrary constants, then we have to find second order partial derivatives. So, in this model, we will consider one problem, that is, form the partial differential equation for z is equal to f of x plus g of x into e power y. Let this equation, given equation be 1. So, to eliminate these two arbitrary functions, we have to differentiate the given relation into 2 times. So, first, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. Then we will get dou z by dou x is equal to, with respect to x means f dash of x plus, here y is a constant. Therefore, g dash of x into e power y, the derivative is e power y. Sorry, e power y is a constant, and for g of x, g dash of x is the partial derivative. This is equation 2. Next, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. Here, x is treated as constant, arbitrary constant. So, dou z by dou y is equal to f of x is a constant. So, here we will get 0 plus g of x is a constant, and for e power y, the derivative is e power y. So, this is equation 3. So, to eliminate these two arbitrary functions, మనం ఈ 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని చూసినట్టయితే ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 ఫంక్షన్స్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఉన్నాయండి, ఎలిమినేట్ కాలేదు. సో థర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ కి వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ ఆర్బిటరీ ఫంక్షన్ మిగిలింది, ఒక ఆర్బిటరీ ఫంక్షన్ ఎలిమినేట్ అయిపోయింది. సో ఇక్కడ నేను ఈక్వేషన్ 3 ని అగైన్ పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేస్తున్నానండి విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y ఓన్లీ. సో differentiate equation 3 partially with respect to y. Then we will get dou square z by dou y square is equal to g of x is a constant, and for e power y, the derivative is e power y. We will get equation 4. From 3 and 4, we can write as from 3 and 4, we can write as dou z by dou y is equal to dou square z by dou y square. Here g of x into e power y is equal to dou z by dou y, and g of x into e power y is equal to dou square z by dou y square. So, ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయండి. So, this can be denoted by q and this can be denoted by t. That implies q minus t equal to 0. So, this is the required partial differential equation అండి. ఇక్కడ ఆర్బిటరీ ఫంక్షన్స్ అనేవి ఎలిమినేట్ అయిపోయినాయి. సో 2 ఆర్బిటరీ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఇచ్చినట్టయితే మనం సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్స్ వరకు కన్సిడర్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. వాటిని సాల్వ్ చేస్తే మనకు కావాల్సిన పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుందండి. సో ఫైనల్ గా ఈ 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసిన తర్వాత if the given relation contains single arbitrary function, then we will get first order PDE. ఓకేనండి, మనకి ఇచ్చిన రిలేషన్ లో సింగిల్ ఆర్బిటరీ ఫంక్షన్ ఉన్నట్టయితే మనకి ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ PDE ఫామ్ అవుతుందండి. సెకండ్ వన్, ఇఫ్ ద గివెన్ రిలేషన్ contains two arbitrary constants, two arbitrary functions, then we will get second or higher order PDE. సో ఈ రోజు లెక్చర్ లో ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ నేర్చుకున్నామండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చి ఎలిమినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్ వచ్చి ఎలిమినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిటరీ ఫంక్షన్. సో ద రిమైనింగ్ 2 topics will be discussed in the later lecture. Thank you.